Hello students. So today we are going to continue our dynamics of machinery syllabus in our vibration topic. So today's lecture topic is vibration isolation. Okay, as we all know that we have all studied, then in some parts vibrations are harmful, it is unnecessary, it is undesirable. To stop, to reduce the vibration, these vibration isolations are very important. So today we are going to study some introductory part of vibration isolations. We will study different vibration isolators, different vibration isolator materials, etc. We are going to study today in today's lecture. So moving further. So first we will see some introduction. Vibration are produced in machine having unbalanced masses or forces, as we have studied earlier. High vibration level cause machinery failure as well as the objectionable noise levels. A common structure of objectionable noise in buildings of the vibration machine, there are mounted on the floors or wall. These are the some effects of vibrations. Okay, so vibration isolation is the process of isolating an object such as a piece of equipment from the source of vibration. The effectiveness of isolation is expressed in terms of force or motion. Lesser the amount of force or motion transmitted to the फाउंडेशन, ग्रेटर इज सेड टू बी आइसोलेशन. यानी जो भी वाइब्रेशन है वो नीचे फाउंडेशन पे नहीं उतरेगा, उससे पहले ही पूरा एब्जॉर्ब, जितना कम ज़्यादा एब्जॉर्ब होगा उतना वाइब्रेशन कम होगा. सो इट इज़ बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस. सो मूविंग फर्दर. सो basically there are two types of vibration isolations, we can say that. First one is the passive vibration isolation and second is the active vibration isolation. So in passive vibration isolation refers to vibration isolation or mitigation of vibration by passive techniques such as rubber pads and mechanical springs. ओके, तो वाइब्रेशन एब्सॉर्ब करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, हम फाउंडेशन में कुछ ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ वाइब्रेशन होता है वहाँ पर रबर पैड्स रखेंगे और वी कैन से दैट मैकेनिकल स्प्रिंग्स वहाँ पे हम रखेंगे. इस तरह का जो वाइब्रेशन होता है इट इज़ नोन एज दिस, जो टेक्निक्स यूज़ करें उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, पैसिव टेक्निक्स. इट इज़ ऑन दी पैसिव वाइब्रेशन आइसोलेशन. नाउ इन एक्टिव वाइब्रेशन आइसोलेशन also known as the electronic force cancellation, employs electric power, sensor, actuators and control system for vibration isolation. Okay, so this is all comes under this active vibration isolations. Moving further. So this way the basic objective. Now what are the objective of these vibrations isolation? The objectives of vibration isolation are to protect the delicate machine from excessive vibration transmitted to it from its supporting structure. This is very important, to protect the delicate machine from excessive vibration transmitted to it from its supporting structure, to prevent vibratory forces generated by machine from being transmitted to its supporting structure. So these are very important terms of vibration isolations. The vibration isolation may be obtained by placing materials called vibration isolators to absorb the vibration, okay, in between the vibrating body and the supporting structure. जो फाउंडेशन और वाइब्रेटिंग बॉडी है उसके बीच में हम वो वाइब्रेशन आइसोलेटर रखेंगे टू रिड्यूस द वाइब्रेशन इन द मशीनिंग एलिमेंट्स. ओके, सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस isolators are. So these are the some examples: metallic springs, isolation pads, pneumatic isolators, isolator hanger. These are the some types of vibration isolators that we are using nowadays. Now these are the location where sensitive locations where we can put our vibration isolators also. किस तरह से उसका प्रोसेस करना पड़ता है, क्या चीज़ें, कौन कौन के लोकेशन है, कौन कौन सी पैरामीटर से वो ध्यान में रखना होता है वाइल हम वाइब्रेशन आइसोलेटर पुट करेंगे तब. सो फर्स्ट इज़ द मशीन लोकेशन एज फार अवे फ्रॉम द सेंसिटिव एरिया एज पॉसिबल एंड ऑन एज रिजिड फाउंडेशन एज पॉसिबल. तो जो सेंसिटिव डेलिकेट्स एरिया है वहाँ से वो जो आइसोलेटर रखेंगे वो दूर रखना होगा थोड़ा. जहाँ तक पॉसिबल वहाँ तक रिजिड फाउंडेशन के ऊपर उसको रखना चाहिए. प्रॉपर साइजिंग ऑफ आइसोलेटर यूनिट्स, करेक्ट स्टिफनेस होनी चाहिए, उसको प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से वो कितना वाइब्रेशन है उसको कैलकुलेट करके पूरा करके वो वाइब्रेशन आइसोलेशन हमको पुट करना है. लोकेशन ऑफ आइसोलेटर शुड बी इक्वली लोडेड एंड द मशीन शुड बी लेवल. These are some important parameters related to the vibration isolators. Stability होनी चाहिए वो isolators में. Adjustment spring should have free travel, should not be fully compressed, no heating by a mechanical stop. Eliminating vibration short circuit. Vibration short circuit eliminate. Safe operation to avoid a spring break. You must have mechanical supports on which the machine rests without tipping. Okay, these are the some parameters we have to consider while applying the vibration isolators. Okay, so different materials we are using for vibration isolations. Okay, so which are these different materials? So the materials normally used for vibration isolations are rubber, felt, cork, metallic springs, etc. are we are using. Okay, these are put between the foundation and vibrator body. So moving further, these are the some materials. Rubber we are using, felt we are using, metallic springs we are using, cork is also a material used as a vibration isolation here. So up to this, in today's lecture we have seen some introductory part regarding this vibration isolation. This is very important topic in the subject vibration. This vibration isolation has so many importance in heavy industries, heavy equipment, heavy machineries. These vibration isolations are very necessary. Okay, so any doubts in today's lecture? So please write in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for attending today's lecture. Thank you all students.